Yeah. Respect. Anytime I'm ready for me, you know. No, I don't know if... Ready? Alright. I mean I say, unfortunately I don't say a thing go, but we still have to do it because we need music. You see me I say? So I was going to do this one for the ladies, but me I go do it see me, even though me not on a rhythm. You see me? Introduction. The first time a spaceship come on Earth, this is what I said when I pull the door. Yeah, the mount a gyal inna the place, me say me a fi get some. Tonight, me catty a fi get born. Come me touch girl till them body get numb. Right I know the party starts, so me a fi get rum. The mount a gyal layer, me a fi get some. Them a beat the grey goose with the street vibes. Pon the dance floor, yeah, she wind done. Body feel like sponge like a ball. She like bum, yeah. When me say me want fi hold up your body, control up your body, sweat soak up your body when me touch your hard. Pon the floor na the lobby, make you know say me crab it a the chrome fi and knock it me. Ever prepared boots, load up me pocket kush, load up picture list who sober me frost it and no haddy. A chrome of your daddy, so give me your body because me know me fi have it. The mount a girl inna the place, me say me a fi get some. Tonight me catty a fi get born. Touch girl till them body get numb. Right I know the party starts, so me a fi get rum. The mount a girl layer, me a fi get some. Them a be the grey goose with the street vibes. On the dance floor, yeah, she wind done, body feel like, listen me. So me tell her wine fast, slow, then just use your hand and hold your front up. You are the number one, me love the way how you perform. Inna me chest, you make me hearty just a jump up. By the night fi done me know how you me a go on you something for till. I eat me really want fi thump up. Any other girl me say, them a fi calm. Any competition, yes me know how you come first because your body good. You shoulda be a model or a actress. No you not fi practice. Everything come naturally. Girl you're born with the hotness. You know in a slackness. Girl just shake up that body in a way where you never shake it before. Split on the floor, come not wine for me some more. Forget the right and know me know I'm able, I'm sure. Alien, cause the mount a girl inna the place, me say me a forget some. If I pray, you know a thing go. Yeah, I eat that. Alien, real way. Yeah, real way. Sure. Yeah. Yeah. Respect our manners. I really would make it sound better, but yeah, man.